This thing is loose. You know what I mean? It's the same thing happens to the other one. I got it. I was a gift. You know, forget about it. Look, I cannot fix this. You know, yeah, I just bought this. I advise, no, don't buy it. This is totally garbage. You know what I mean? It's frustrating. It's just frustrating. Shame on Black.
Real safe.
Holy cow.
One time. Use this one time.
Turn it over the other way. Oh, you can't really see it on that. That's terrifying. Thanks.
We unplugged it.
So I recently bought a blender off Amazon. And this thing looks like it's been through fucking hell, dude. Look at this fucking thing.
After 2 uses, this thing don't work. It's plugged up. See?
Got this on Friday. It's not working on Monday. So
I got this for about $3 over at the local thrift